The results of the recently held Legislative Assembly elections in Meghalaya were announced on the 2nd of March 2023. As per official data of the Election Commission of India, the National People's Party had won 25 of the 59 seats in the Assembly constituencies, followed by the United Democratic Party with 11 seats, the Indian National Congress and the Trinamool Congress with 5 seats each, the Voice of the People's Party with 4 seats, and the Bharatiya Janata Party with 3 seats. It may be recalled that the prediction of a hung government in the state is mere speculation, as the NPP gained momentum in most constituencies in the state. However, while the incumbent Chief Minister was able to retain his seat, his elder brother James P.K. Sangma had lost the elections to TMC's Rupa M. Marak by a mere margin of 7 votes.
People's mandate, what do they want? Now, if they felt that the TMC was too young a party in the state to give them the responsibility to govern the state, well, that's their choice. But as a TMC, as a team, we are still intact and we shall work. It's only a matter of 5 years. It's just on the
during your campaign, you said that anti-incumbency against the MDA government would at least pave way for the TMC to form the new government in Meghalaya. So what is the reason? Is it because people...
I don't think the people listen to me. That is the reason.
Rem ti kam dai tang ka NPP ka rem di babun ki candidates ki rem di babli tang bakam lelei ngampat pet ngampat postmortem yang kata ka result aya nga shwa bangan lek kira ni ki pat ba la jong kwali ai kublai ki namar ki don tension kandid. Let me go and speak to them, please. I'll come back and get a proper view from the entire NPP party, and then we will brief you accordingly at the correct time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? Only ROs, observers and candidates or election agents, either one of them, the candidates or election agent.
Okay, we try along with like-minded parties. Iba ngej wanwara sinsar berhan untuk paga, sinsar balak dan corruption, sinsar kebanam wanra ia kejengnya kejemut dan kejat itu. Kebangi on the social polarization and the economic inequality. When kini, in fact, the disparity, the gap between the have and the have-nots have increased in the last 5 years. Dengan try berki parti ki bangit banmanra kata ka economic when no kani economic inequality lane kejingnya kane ka ba ki khniat ngot ki obon ka spa obon tu but nin weng kani ka jing pani affair kane social disharmony kane ka communalism
Spectacular, considering that in the previous house there were just 6 of us, and we also lacked leaders with experience in the past 5 years, and we even lost the party president, Dr. Don Barrow. So it's a huge comeback for the UDP. Yes. Well, it's difficult for me to jump the gun at this stage. The best thing would be, ideally, for you to allow us to meet, confabulate, and then come to a certain point of convergence.
So do we...
NPP party ni plug worker ako, or NPP party ni plug talgabar ako, tentang constituency ni sini, main leader ako, or plug at sini, kental MLA ako ba, ang ayon surpra ang congratulate pa Alaska, or tentang matsa sa kansi ko na nga, matela ba, usyo ka. Dalo ya election NPP party actually Garo Hilsoni historic number one semana.
Thank the people of the state for having voted for our party. We're very thankful to them. And of course, we are short of few numbers, so we will just wait for the final results to come out. And then we'll decide how to move forward.
Sir, WhatsApp trends has been shows that your party will become the single largest party. That's sort of the to get the absolute majority. So, what is your next move to form the government? It is also open its door for the UDP, BJP, or other parties.
Let's just see. I have not even got a chance to even meet my people. So all the thinking will start after that.